Okay, so let's look at 3268. So it says a 5 kilogram mass, and again, when we do momentum, it's very easy to mix things up, so we want to write our given. So it says a 5 kilogram mass, so since that's the first one I read, I'll call that MA, is moving at 10 meters per second, collides perfectly inelastically with a stationary 15 kilogram mass. Determine the magnitude of the system's velocity after the collision. So VB is 0 because it's stationary. So we want to find so it's perfectly inelastic. So that means that they stick together and they move off with one velocity. So we want to find V prime. So we know that the total momentum before P naught is equal to PF. So we're going to have MAVA plus MBVB is equal to MA plus MB times V prime. And that's what we want to solve for is V prime, because they're going to stick together and move on. So VB is 0, so that goes to 0. This is what I want to solve for, so I'm going to rearrange the equation to solve for the unknown in terms of the known. So I'm going to leave the MAVA over here. And now I'm going to divide by MA plus MB. So that's equal to V prime. So that's just 5 kilograms times 10 meters per second over 5 kilograms plus 15. So that's going to be 50 kilogram meters per second divided by 20 kilograms. So V prime comes out to be, we can just go like this with the zeros, 5 divided by 2, 2.5 meters per second. So that was part A. Part B says, determine the kinetic energy lost during the collision. So for part B, the kinetic energy plus A plus the kinetic energy plus B plus the kinetic energy lost is equal to KAB prime. So now we have kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared. So we have 1/2 MAVA squared plus 1/2 MBVB squared minus K lost is equal to 1/2 MA plus MB times V prime squared. That's a V prime. Put the prime in the wrong place. All right, so we want to solve for this. Well, first of all, let's get rid of this because this is stationary, so that's 0. So I have 1/2 of 5 kilograms times 10 meters per second squared minus K lost is equal to 1/2 5 plus 15 kilograms times 2.5 meters per second squared. So 100 times 5 is 500 divided by 2 is 250 minus K lost. Now, if I wanted to, again, I should probably rearrange and solve for that. It's going to be 2.5 squared times 20 divided by 2. So we're going to have 2.5 squared times 20 divided by 2 is 62.5. So K lost is going to be this minus that. So 250 minus 62.5. So K lost is equal to 187.5 joules.